In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check uploaded files to Google Drive. Whether someone has just added files for you or you want to confirm what's already there, I'll show you exactly where to look and how to filter results so you can find what you need fast. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. If you're not already signed into your Google account, sign in so Drive can show your files and the items shared with you. At the top right of the Google homepage, look for the small grid of dots, also known as the Google Apps icon. Click that grid icon to open the app launcher, then choose Drive. This opens Google Drive, where all your files and shared content live in one place. Once Drive loads, turn your attention to the left sidebar and click Shared with Me. This view is dedicated to content that other people have shared with you, which is the quickest way to check recent uploads or additions from collaborators. It's different from My Drive, which holds files you own. Inside Shared with Me, locate the shared folder you're interested in and click it to open. Going into the specific folder narrows your view to just the items that matter for your project or team. You'll now see the uploaded files in that folder. You can switch between list and grid view to make browsing easier, and you can sort by name or last modified if you want the newest items on top. Clicking once on a file shows a quick preview pane, which helps you confirm the content without opening a new tab. If you're looking for something specific, use Drive's filters to refine the results. The filter options appear near the search bar and let you narrow your view without moving away from the folder you're in. Under Type, choose the kind of file you want to see, such as images, PDFs, videos, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Forms. Selecting a type instantly removes everything else, which is especially helpful in busy folders. You can also filter by people to focus on files uploaded or shared by a particular collaborator. This is great when multiple teammates contribute to the same folder and you want to review one person's latest additions. Finally, filter by date to see files added or modified within a specific time frame. Pick a preset range or set a custom window to zero in on recent uploads. That's it. Open Drive, head to Shared with Me, enter the shared folder, and use the type, people, and date filters to pinpoint exactly what was uploaded. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!